Okay, selamat petang. Good evening. Alright. Tadi kita orang daripada Kim Yong Market, kita orang lepak dalam bilik, and now we are on our way to ASEAN Night Bazaar. Dekat sana ada satu lagi tempat makan yang besar gila, and I was targeting for one food that is mukbang on oyster. So tengok macam mana lah. Me, my wife, Badora. Sekarang ni dekat dalam tuk-tuk again. You know, the most famous transportation for the locals and publics. So sampai sana nanti we continue our vlogging. So kapung kap, and I'll see you then later. Okay, kita dah sampai ke ASEAN Night Bazaar. We are here at ASEAN Night Bazaar. Sawadikap, and let's go inside.
September we met. I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control on the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned. I used to be chill, now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space, I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coldest of nights, yeah.
Okay, this alley, they have shirts, baju, all the way through. It's rumdu. I don't know what is rumdu, but yeah, I guess it's a flower. This is how I look like, all the way to the left and to your right. There, strictly no smoking. If you smoke, fine is 5,000 baht. Oh, that is crazy. So don't smoke in here. Alright. Bunga Raya, Malaysia. You can see it's Malaysia, Bunga Raya. So I'm buying sandals over here. They have a lot. Hold on, yeah. This is the alley look like, and every alley look like this. This is just amazing. This is like the ground floor of ASEAN Night Bazaar. Tempat makan. Makan apa? Easy because anda halal besar. It's easy, man. Like, look at that. Ooh. You know? Brilliant. Just choose whatever you want. They have juice. Oh, again, beautiful color. This is like the second floor of this ASEAN Night Bazaar. Wowee. Yang besar tu berapa, bro? 160. That's my favorite tom yum paste kat belakang. The tom yum paste is so good. Beli, then go for it, buy. Beli dah ada depan mata. Kau pilih je lah. Ini juice, orange juice. Tadi basi siam, maknanya cakap dia orang. You have to ask, man. Right. You just have to ask. Orang Malaysia ramai gila. Malaysian are like all over. Look at that. Crazy good, man. Oh. Again, everything is in Thailand. Crazy good. Beautiful. Fresh. Oh, let's go to the next row. Iki kari echo ng Thailand. Kari echo iki. Iki apa, Mbak? Hah? Oh, kuah lemak ikan biasa dah. Dance baby, dance. Thank you. Iki apa? Ini apa ni? What? Fish? Fish yogurt. Can I just have a look? Wow. Look at that. I don't know, but it's a fish yogurt. I don't know what fish yogurt is, but look at that, man. It's really weird, but must be good. Wow. They're very friendly. They're very, 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 very friendly. The green curry looks so tempting. I'm just gonna try that. This is like, yeah, soup, broth. Amazing. This is a shop. There. Fish organ sour soup. That's a fish organ sour soup. Fish organ sour soup. Brilliant. Okay, okay. Terima kasih. Tahu sedap. Makanan Thailand gila sedap kak. I know, man. It's brilliant, amazing. Saya tahu kak. Kedai mana? Kedai Kak Ya. Nama kedai ni? It's in Thailand, man. Tapi dia cakap kedai Kak Ya. This is like there's no number here, but many people are queuing for it, man. Okay, make sure you guys come here. It's just amazing. Hai Kak. Kak Ya. Kak Ya ke tu? Itu Kak Ya. Yeah. This is the lady. Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Kapung Kak. Terima kasih Kak. Let's go. Next one. Oh, look at that. Damn good. It was so good. Ooh, what is that? What is that? Oh my god, look at that. Look at the mixture of that thing. That's sour with limes, really tangy, and I can say it's really, really hot, man. Thousands of chilies, look at that. Oh my god, look at the way she did it, so pro. Wow. Wow, wow. Put Thai ma dai, put Thai ma dai. Malay. Kerabu Maggi. Hot ni kerabu Maggi. Hot nama kedai agak kepada dia ni. Ini kedai Kak Aminah. Kedai nama berapa mbak tak tahu tapi tu dia. Sini memang gila makanan dia banyak sungguh dah. Thousands of food that you can choose. Fresh. I can guarantee you that. It's really, really fresh. Kerabu Maggi. Oh, amazing. This place really, really jam-packed with people. Crazy. Like everybody coming here for food. It's dinner time. Dan memang pack gila, ramai gila orang siap. And the quality of the food, I just ate the nasi goreng. Even for a nasi goreng like this, fried rice like this, it's so nice. So good. Again, jam-packed with people. Amazing. You know? Tong beli dari kedai ni, mini gimyong. So if you guys to ASEAN Night Market, ASEAN Night Bazaar, you can always come here. These two gentlemen is so friendly. Yang ni dari Kedah, yang ni aku tak tahu dari mana tapi depa memang betul-betul bagus. 100 baht. Besar ni 100 baht. Berat berapa? 200 gram 100 baht. Tu dia. Barang dia memang cantik betul. Cakap betul memang. Yang ini yang paling sedap sekali. Kami beli yang ni. Kami beli yang ni. Ni dia. Boleh murah. Hang tengok harga 190 dia boleh turun lagi. 150 tak dapat. 18 cantik. Thank you bro. Assalamualaikum. Yang ni Like I said, kids, to see something like this, you just can't resist it. You need to buy this. So my daughter, she just loved this one. Now we are testing it. She's just going to choose and hello, sawadikap. Boleh kecek latte tak? Boleh kecek latte, alhamdulillah. Most of the people here, most of the sellers, most of the vendors, they can speak even Kelantanese or Kedah, you know. Some of them from Satun, some of them from Yala, some of them from Patani. But yeah, I'm having a good time, blasting time here. And you just need to go for the halal one, like that one. If that is the halal alif lam, just buy it. Again, if it's halal, if it's look good, just eat it. This is gift for love. Gift for love. Bila kita masuk tadi siang, pukul 6 petang. Now it's time to go. I have a great experience here in ASEAN Night Bazaar. The food is just amazing. Gempak gila. So you guys, if you come to Thailand, come to Hat Yai, you guys need to be here. Dan bila dah malam, orang ramai gila siut. And tempat makan jadi jam pack gila punya. You can't breathe up there. And you have to queue for the seat. Crazy good, man. It's crazy good. So guys, sawadikap. Salam selamat malam daripada Hat Yai. Please support my channel. Keep subscribing. Click the like. And also the tombol loncengnya. Please. Thank you very much.